Action. There's so much money in this, and these machines are such in desperate demand that this is an easy way to steal money from people.
Right.
But it's frustrating because you don't know who you can buy a machine from. I mean, that looked like a totally legit website.
I know. That's what I'm saying, dude. Do I even want to look? What is going on with Bitcoin? What do you think the issue are?
It's just on it's slowly dropping, but it's still trading within its range. It's in the 37s. Let me look right now. I should show you the chart. This is kind of normal action now.
You got to be getting into DMG.
Oh, they're giving it away. They're giving everything away right now.
66 cents, Tom. Dude, why don't they just buy their stock back?
Because they need to buy Bitcoin mining machines, which cost a fortune.
Well, here's what gets me. Ready? Even though I'm getting beat up today, my account's still at 130,000, and I'm down $50,000 between those two.
This is a buying opportunity day for me. This is not financial advice. Do your own due diligence.
Well, I mean,
Bitcoin is a highly volatile asset.
I just can't believe it's down another 50. 128.
All the Bitcoin miners are down today.
Well, except Lux Folio.
Yeah, and that is a micro cap. That's an under $10 million stock. So
no, there's still none of them are selling. There's still only average volume now is 29,000 shares.
29,000 shares, and their shares are how much? 30 cents. So there's
35 cents. Yeah,
it's totally illiquid. That doesn't mean it's a bad investment. I really like that company, but they are tiny right now.
So it says they have 33 million stocks out, which I don't even know how that happened.
You looking at Lux?
Times 0.35 is they have an $11.5 million cap rate. But they say 11.7. $11.7 million cap rate.
That's so small, it's mind-boggling. I mean, that sounds like a lot of money to somebody on the street, but that's for a stock. 100 million is tiny. So 10 million is like crazy, and they're trading 20,000 shares a day. You know, they're trading like $5,000 to $10,000 worth of stock a day. Who heard from where? When?
Logan Paul.
Oh,
you know the guy I called out.
Logan.
Hang on. The boy I've called out.
He's 26. He's a grown-up.
Still boy. The kid.
Now that's fair. The kid. We have not officially heard back from Logan Paul or.
I'm in training. I just, I want to do it too. I want to beat him in golf and then beat him in the ring.
You got to beat him. You got to beat him in the ring first.
So you think I got to beat him in the ring and then beat him in golf?
Yes.
But I bet you he couldn't even play golf.
Yeah, so that's why I'm saying you got to beat him in the ring first, and then
so that's what you want to do.
Yeah, absolutely.
So I actually think differently. I think we got to beat. I think we should do we should come up with some type of our own triathlon. Okay.
This guy don't want to listen. He's got 23 million YouTube followers. He's what did that list say? He's this and that. He's a busy kid.
He's a professional boxer.
He's a professional YouTuber, a professional boxer. He's a entrepreneur. He's all we want is one night of his time, any place, anywhere.
No. It has to be Atlanta.
Oh, Well, that's
Has to be Atlanta.
not quite as powerful as a challenge, but
I think it needs to be Atlanta because I'm from Atlanta now. You know what I mean? Me and my posse are there.
I hear you. The standard issue fight challenges, anytime, any place, anywhere. I'll fight you in the parking lot.
No. If I'm gonna do it, I gotta do it because I don't want to get, I get in trouble. See how big that hand is? Look at that.
Yeah, we already established the rules. It's going to be an official exhibition. No judges, no headgear.
He can wear a mouthpiece, so when I hit him with the
2-minute rounds. Yeah, of course he's going to wear a mouthpiece.
I'm not going to dance. No dancing.
No.
Write that in there. No dancing. No.
Hey, if he wants to run away, that's on him. I don't think that his reputation can afford to run away from a 52-year-old man in the ring for 8 rounds. So he's going to mix it up.
Did you hear that or no?
I heard it.
I've never been in the back of my head. Stop it! Stop! That hurt. Oh, this is so funny. That guy was scared of the whole crypto market. He says he's playing around, and the guy, I met a wealth manager, another one. It's like, how do I meet all these wealth managers?
I don't know. Every time you go to dinner, you end up meeting a wealth manager.
So I started talking to him about Bitcoin mining. He knew absolutely nothing about it. And we really started talking about it, and I'm like, it's the only industry right now that doesn't make any sense on the stock market. And what I mean by that is, it doesn't make what? Congratulations, Shaq is not only the joint owner of 155 Five Guys restaurants, 17 Aunt Annie's pretzel shops, 150 car washes. Listen to this. I had no idea.
I love those pretzels.
40 24-hour fitness center, shopping center, a movie theater, several Las Vegas adventures. He's earned a doctorate of education from Barry University. Earns $22 million a year in endorsements, including, here it is, Ice Hot, Gold Bond,
The General,
Buick, the General, in Shaq's own word. It is not about how much money you make. The question is, are you educated enough to keep what you earn and utilize it to help other? Not bad, since basketball players were supposed to shut up and dribble, says the ED, I don't know, who credits God for helping him to realize his goals and dream. If God did it for me, he can do it for you. Feeling festive.
Shaq's the man.
Shaq is the man. You got to see him next to the doctorate at the Barry. She's like 5 foot, and he's like a giant. Shaq really's always been the man.
Shaq is one of my 5 all-time favorite NBA players. And
well, who would be? Is Bird?
Larry Bird, Michael Jordan. I mean,
yeah, okay.
We grew up in the 80s, so
So who's the next two?
Oh, man, I hate to commit. Magic Johnson was legendary. And then I'm leaving the 5th spot open for a player to be named later. There's a lot of other people that are awesome, but Shaq, from a personality standpoint, Shaq's in first place. He is my absolute favorite personality in the NBA. Shaq does his own thing, man.
Maybe I should call Shaq. Maybe we do a shout out to Shaq.
Absolutely.
I ain't boxing Shaq.
No, I don't recommend that at all.
Can you imagine the reach? Trying to get in there?
I don't recommend bumping into Shaq. I guarantee.
Oh, you mean walking it? Yeah.
Yeah, literally just bumping into him. You're going to be in pain.
I mean, did you ever see? I watched him on some show, right, where he would take and he put a one of those bouncy things in the backyard. What are they called?
A trampoline.
Trampoline next to his pool, and we take the trampoline and then end up into the pool. I was like, that's awesome.
That must have been a high. That was like an industrial trampoline. I don't know how he can even jump on a trampoline.
It seems like it was hitting the ground. Dude, I did that one time. So I was bouncing on a trampoline with my kids, right? Bounce, bounce, bounce. Because I'm one of those stupid parents. And like they did something and I landed on the ground. So like it was, I don't know if it was because I weighed too much and we all went down. And oh my goodness, you want to talk about pain? That was pain.
Did you land on the ground like you fell off the trampoline?
No. Like the
trampoline went to the ground
because of the weight. It bottomed out.
I got 300 reasons.
Did you hear me? And I don't think it's done.
See, that's why I'm less enthused about investing directly in the cryptocurrencies because of the equation that I just showed you with Bitfarms, which mines Bitcoin. Even if Bitcoin doesn't do well, you see what kind of money they're making. So if you invest directly in Bitcoin and it goes down $10,000, you lose money. If you invest in Bitfarms and Bitcoin goes down $10,000, they're still minting money.
You know who I haven't seen break 30 cents and I have a feeling today might be your day. Lexfolio.
Yeah, is it up or down today?
Getting crushed. You just lost. Somebody bought it at 31, almost 32 cents.
Okay, well, here we go.
Might be your day. I'll tell you what, one thing good about being a professional golfer, you just have to show up and hit the ball. Okay, nothing else you gotta do. You should hear my wife right now. So, is that it? Is that all you got in you?
That's all I got.
All right.
I'm all prepped. I want to do a video on Bitfarms because they got a lot going on. So I'm prepped for it. I think that's what I'm going to do next.
All right. Well, have a good time.
All right. I'll talk to you.
See you.